Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. Today we are going to learn different occupations. Are you ready? Hmm. Have you tried to ask yourself what you want to be when you grow up? Are you sure? Let's check this different occupation. Hmm. When I grow up, will I become a doctor? A doctor is a person who treats us when we are sick. Some of them are called surgeon. They are doctors specialized in patients' conditions that require surgery. Some also treats children. They are called pediatrician. Some also have specialization in treating our teeth and they are called dentists. Some also are called veterinarian doctors and they care our animal pet. If you want to become a doctor, what you wanna be? Will I become a pilot? A pilot is a person who operates the flying controls of an aircraft, like an airplanes or helicopters. They navigate the sky. Or an engineer. An engineer is a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. Some are called chemical engineers, civil engineer, electrical and mechanical engineer. The one who implements the plan or designs of an architect are called engineer. This shows a woman mixing chemicals. She is a chemical engineer. Will I become a farmer? A farmer are the one who cultivates land or crops and raises animals. They are like our superhero because they save us from starving. They provide our food. They plant vegetables, root crops, and rice and wheat for our food. Or a soldier. A soldier is a member of an army. They undergo trainings. That's why they become a skilled warrior and they protect our country from invaders. Can you do this kind of training? Yeah, it's hard, but it's fun. Or a chef. A chef is a professional cook, typically the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. In short, they are the one who manages all aspects of food preparation until it's ready to be served to the customers. A chef. Will I become a teacher? A teacher is a person who teaches, especially in a school. They are the one who facilitated learnings, demonstrates, and prepare younger generation to face the future with courage and knowledge. They are also called our second parent. nurse. A nurse are the one who observed and monitor the patient's conditions and record them for treatment decision making. A nurse is a doctor's assistant at the hospital. They treat sick people and comfort them. Will I become a judge? A judge is a public official appointed to decide cases and give final verdict in a court of law. They interpret the meaning, significance, and implications of the law. Or a firefighter. A firefighter, they extinguish fires using water hoses. They find and rescue occupants of burning buildings or other emergency situations. They also treat sick or injured people. They are also our heroes. A mechanic. A mechanic is a person who repairs and maintains machinery. They like fixing vehicles and replaces their parts. They are inspecting your vehicle first and diagnosing its problems, then they fix it. A sailor. A sailor are the watercraft's crew. They navigate, maintain, and operate a sailboat, ship, or other water vessel. A sailor is also called a seaman. A minister. A minister, they teach beliefs, lead services like wedding, baptisms, or funerals in the church, and provide spiritual and moral guidance to the community. They are also called a community servant because they attend to the needs of the people in the community. Journalist. A journalist is a person who writes for newspapers, magazines, or prepare news to be broadcast. They are believed to be the most reliable person in telling the truth without bias and prejudice. You want to become a journalist? Or an entertainer. An entertainer are the person who performs to amuse others. They help us forget our worries. An entertainer can be a singer, a dancer, an actor, or an actress. A businessman. A businessman is someone who works at a job that focuses on making money. They are an individuals with an entrepreneur mindset, creates and implement ideas, invents to address the community's need and gain profit on it. A businessmen are very focused on the law of demand and supply. A digital creator. A digital creator is someone who produces online content across various platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. They publish authentic content and have specific niche or audience they target. They could be a blogs, podcast, or a videos. Like me, I'm a digital creator. Now ask yourself, what do I want to be when I grow up? Tell it to your parents and they will guide you how to reach it. Good luck, kids! Thank you for watching. I hope you have evaluated yourself and realized what you want to do when you grow up. Bye-bye!